Good evening, everybody. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to convert a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation on CamScanner. So at first, you need to open up CamScanner via your app, and you need to search for tools, which will be at the bottom or on your dashboard. You can click on all as well. So after clicking on that, you need to find PDF to PPT, which will be right here written in red. So after you click on that, you need to search for a PDF file on your phone that you want to convert into a PowerPoint presentation. So after you have searched the one, you need to click on OK. So just as the Excel, you will only have one free trial if you are using a standard version of CamScanner, and if you want to update that, you need to upgrade it to the premium version of CamScanner. So after you are done and you are ready to convert your PDF to PowerPoint presentation, you just need to click on this free trial one time and you'll be done. Your file will be converted into PowerPoint and you'll be good to present your presentation. So I believe I've taught you guys how to convert a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.